Good morning, first year fam. We are here at GMR for rounds 5 and 6 with the PC MRC. It is going to be a gorgeous weekend. Stay tuned for some fantastic racing. All right, so we just got off the track after doing some practice and it went pretty well. I'm going to be racing in 3 different categories today. I'm going to be racing in Moto 8 and Spec Thunder like normal, but I'm also going to be racing in Formula Thunder today as well, just to get a little extra practice time on the track. I haven't raced in that category yet, so I'm going to be starting at the back of the pack. We have qualifying. Hopefully in qualifying I can gain a couple of positions and start the race a little closer to the front. We'll see how it goes. So I got off the track after qualifying, and they haven't posted the results yet, but you know, felt pretty good. So I've got 3 races coming up. It's warm, there's lots of traction. Let's see how it goes. So I just got off the track after doing Formula Thunder. Good race. Don't know what position I came in, but it was, you know, it felt pretty good. Had a pretty good battle in the grouping that I was in, so that was fun. Let's see what else. So, you know, kind of learning from mistakes, right? I've crashed a lot so far, learning how to ride this bike. Granted, there was a lot of wet racing. It's dry out, so it is different. But, you know, the nice thing about coming out here is the ability to make mistakes at a very low cost, and to be able to learn from those mistakes and be able to try and develop things further. That's one of the awesome benefits of coming out to a racetrack and developing your skills here. So I've got 2 more races coming up. Let's see how it goes. So that's it for round 5. Had some good racing. We'll be back tomorrow for round 6. Yeah, 6. So stay tuned. Good morning, First Gear fam. It is Sunday morning, round 6 with the PC MRC. Amy's here with me today. We're both racing. She's just getting her stuff ready. Beautiful weather out. It's gonna be a fun day. All right, so in my groups that I'm racing in, I'm only racing in 2 groups today. I'm not racing in Formula Thunder, just Spec Thunder and Moto 8. Moto 8 is a bit of a mix mash of bikes, lots of different varieties out there. I'm a little bit kind of towards 10th place, something like that. And in Spec Thunder, it's pretty much all the same bike, all the same type of bike, so very, very comparable competition. And I'm running somewhere in and around 5th, 6th, 7th place in my races, so a little bit in the upper third of the group, which is actually a good place to be. It gives me something to work on. It gives me something to get better at and try and claw my way a little closer to the top, to the front group. So you know, it's good not to win everything. So we'll be going out in a little bit, and I think Amy's classes are going to be up first. We're just going to start practice here pretty quick, so should be fun. Alright, so we're on lunch break. Amy did pretty well in her Moto 12 race, kind of, you know, still figuring things out and getting used to the bike and, you know, more laps, and did really well. And then she did her ladies only group and took like 3 seconds off her lap time and took another 3rd place. So she's going to be on the podium a little later. Fantastic. Really wish I was getting on the podium, but you know, what can you do? I need to take 3 seconds off my lap time. So, but she's doing really good, having a lot of fun, and after lunch, I'll be up next. right, so just got off the track after Moto 8, and what an intense race. So much fun. I hit, yesterday, I hit a personal best lap time of 1:11. I haven't gone that fast around this track before, so that was really good feeling. And then today I was consistently running in the 1:11s. So I'm making improvements, I'm doing good. Really felt nice. In Moto 8, I was on fire. I was doing consistent 110s, which I've never gone that fast before. And I think one of my laps was even a 109. So just moving. I was racing against some really fast guys, and I even managed to pass one or two. So feels really good. Even though I came in 5th place at the end of the race, I kind of feel like I won. So feels good. Next weekend is going to be Quesnel rounds 7 and 8. So make sure you stay tuned for that. New track. Yeah, so that's going to be it for First Gear Racing. Stay tuned for the next round.